Okay, this is just kind of for my documentation, but this is the original dash setup, speedometer and so forth, but it's not going to work on this truck. Mainly the voltage and the oil. I think I could get the temperature, water temperature and the gas to work, but I couldn't get the odometer to work. So I'm going to be putting in a different dash setup, different set of gauges. And when I get them installed, I will do a video kind of showing what I did. All right, later. Well, like everything else on this truck, it's a nightmare. So this dash bezel insert, whatever you want to call it, gauge cluster, wouldn't fit. So I ended up having to kind of grind down here a little bit on the aluminum, and then you could see my little wheel got off, so I got these little things in here. And then here, trying to get this corner to fit, I kind of got frustrated and took too much off. You can see this one looks all right. This one looks all right. And that one it's okay. I mean, you can see I'm off a little bit, but I tried to do this with this one, but you can see how much I missed it. So a good 1/8 of an inch. But that's what it should look like, though. I got to figure out what I'm going to do with this stuff here. I don't know if I could buff it out or if I should just buy a new one. It's not my truck, so I should probably just buy a new one and try to do the same thing, grind it down so it'll fit. Not sure what else to do. I actually called their tech line, which I normally don't do, and even their tech guy told me I had to grind it down. So that's what I tried to do. Anyways, that's my gauge adventure. Anyways, bye.